Winter's here, the snow is falling out of.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and welcome to today's video. Thank you for considering on clicking this video. I really appreciate your time. I'm doing this voiceover in a car. I'm on the sun. I am sweating. I cannot do it in the office because normally I do it in the office very early in the morning, so I couldn't find time because I edited it very early when I arrived. Prepare it to be out tomorrow on Friday, so there will be a distraction or there will be noise from the car passing, so please bear with me for that. I don't have any options of doing some voiceovers. I thought I would go out for lunch and maybe park somewhere in under the car park or whatever it is at the mall, so I don't want to go anywhere. I just have to do it right here. So welcome to my channel, and we are doing, I don't know, in my house there are some things that they give me a pure heart when I clean them, like my stove, the stainless steel. When it's so shiny, I get butterflies, guys. I like it. I like also cleaning my cupboard when I use that multi-surface cleaner from Mr. Sheen. My heart is so pure. I really find joy when things come out the way I expected them to be. Like when cleaning my stove, I really find a joy in it when it shines the way I really want it to shine, without any effort, without putting more effort on it. So here, guys, I do love my products that I'm using, Mr. Sheen, even though at the first time I said I will not buy it again, but right now, after using it from the stove, on the stove, yes guys, I do really gonna buy it again. So in this day, I was just wiping up, tidying up there and there, making things look tidy, like wiping each surface and mopping the floor. So if you just join me and this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe to my channel. I do cleaning motivation videos, I do laundry motivation videos, also grocery hauls and some lifestyle videos. Yeah guys, so it was just a beautiful day. I was with my son that day and we were just cozy after cleaning this. And in this video I am going to also cook. I was going to cook beef from the tin. Please forgive me for the back that is exposed there. I am so sorry. I didn't realize it was exposed like that. So yeah, sorry guys.
As we drive for miles to that little town called home, tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the houses, the church choir sings aloud. Feel my heart melt.
You see, even when I am cleaning this one, I never thought I will have things of my own, because I've realized when you are at home, you get too cozy. It's your mother's place. You have kids, you have whoever you have each other's bags. It's so nice and all that, but whatever you buy, guys, it doesn't belong to you. It belongs to the home state. It belongs to the owner of the house. When you go out, if you are heartless, you will go out with things that you have bought, but what happens to the space left where you have taken things out, like wardrobe, your bed, the room will be empty. So I've realized I'm getting older, and this thing of me continuing to buy things here, it's not gonna work for me. I have 2 kids. They have to have their own home, so that's why I decided, why not go out, do my things, because even when I'm not here on this earth, I need my kids to have their own home. It's up to them to live at their gogos, at their grandma, but they have an option of going to their own home, which is where I am staying. Right now they are staying with their grandmother because the admin of waking up in the morning, preparing them and all that, I opted not to be under it. So they are at their gogos. It's not far from where I am. It's not far from where I'm staying. And the reason why I wanted to stay there is because I actually wanted to constantly keep an eye on my mother. I'm a firstborn. I'm a considerate firstborn. So I wanted to be next to my mother. So here I'm going to be cleaning this thing. Is piling up some salt. The water that I buy is a borehole water. You know, borehole water has got that impurity called, like, it's salt. It built up, so it was getting too much. It can make this thing not to warm up quickly or to get hot so quickly. And yeah, I was using sunlight and handy, but even water alone, it can just be removed. It's not a hard substance that attaches there. See, within a wink of an eye it was cleaned. I was about to put water for bathing. Wanted the kids to bath as early as they can so that they can just relax and have the snacks if they want to have the snack and continue resting. So it's all clean and I'm gonna fill it up with the water so that, yeah, we have a bath.
All I wanted was Christmas cheer and drinks with friends we haven't seen for a while. Since I've been to that little town called home. Pine tree dressed up with every ornament we got. And stockings hung, we know we're flowing.
I really like mopping now and then. Small kitchen, small house, I mean, gets dirty so quickly. So I really like mopping. It's not for the first time I was mopping. I think it was for the first time mopping since in the morning. And the tiles, guys, they do show some dirt quickly. The mud, if you step on with the mud, they will show quickly. So I have to constantly wipe off.
Bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt. You walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was you. All I wanted was you.
Now I remember this was on a Sunday. I was cooking beef. Yes, we ate what, chicken in the morning. It was a leftover from yesterday, so I opted for beef because I cannot be eating chicken again or another type of meat. I wanted that. It was quick and it was hot, so I wanted to just deal away with cooking in the stove because fire and the house, they get so hot. So I need to be cooking quickly and be done.
All I wanted was you. Now he's sleeping. All I wanted was you. Feel my heart
In my beef, I had put in some onions and green peppers. Guys, my son doesn't want these things. He said they're not nice, so he started chopping them out and removing them. I had to help and yeah, he doesn't like the green peppers. I didn't know.
All I wanted was you. Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was you.
In the meantime, while I'm waiting for the pots to get ready or to cook up, let me just show you a glimpse of the way the kitchen looks like. It's clean, tidy up. It's so nice when you're cooking in a house which is neat or clean, well packed. Yeah, as you can see, the dishes are clean. There, the corner, I've prepared it also. It's clean. Don't mind the bucket. My younger sister gave me that bucket. It's a freebie from their company, so she came with few of them and gave me. So over on the 2nd of December, I went to Food Lovers Market, the new store that opened at the farmyard, and I told you guys I got some special whereby the apples were 50 rand for 3 packets. I also bought for bananas which were 7 rand 99 per kg. But in some, I'm not impressed, guys. I don't want to lie, I'm not impressed. Let me stick to my Checkers fruits, because these apples I've thrown others. I have thrown others. When you buy them, they look all good, but when you reach home, they start to show their real colors. So I have thrown some others. I will go there. I'm thinking for meat, it's very cheap and affordable. Yeah, if I go there, I will go there for the meat. So now the water was boiling. I'm preparing to cook my pap.
All I wanted was you. All I wanted was you. Christmas cheer and drinks with friends we haven't seen for a while, since I've been to that little town called home. Pine tree dressed up with every ornament we got, and stockings hung with no flowing from the top. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings.
Normally, I don't even pour tomato in my beef. I just do onion and put in some beef. Then that is it. So I don't know if I was trying to be fancy or what, or make it tastier. It was just me being creative in the pot, and I liked it, guys. It was so nice, even though my son didn't like the green peppers.
Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was you. All I wanted was you. All
we are coming to the end of the video, and thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video in the first place. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.